Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader here with an orchard update. Alright family, so you guys know on my previous video I had 4 blueberry plants that was forgotten in the front of my house in their buckets, and they began to root in the front porch area. And I decided I do not want to grow blueberries in buckets anymore. My first round of blueberries did not do well in buckets in my raised bed area on my right side. They just did not do well. So I decided to get them into the ground, and all of them is thriving. Right now we have 4. So I will be attempting to propagate when it comes to the blueberry plants. And like I said, they're very, very happy. And as far as the orchard is waking up, you guys. Okay, so over here, I believe this is one of my pear trees, and they are waking up. This one over here is probably an apple. Let's see. Yep, the Matsu apple, and I think we planted her last year. This one over here is my Alberta peach, and she has woken up. I have a little bit concerned about her because she has this blackness on here, and I don't know what that is, so I'm going to do some research on that. But as far as her waking up and budding in certain areas, that's a good sign. So I'm just going to keep an eye on her. And this one over here is, I believe this is another plum tree that I got planted. And this one over here, I'm thinking is my peach. You know, after a while you lose your tags, you guys. I need to get better at holding on to my tags. And I know Grow Family Network did a video on how to label your trees with metal, and I believe Uncle Led Farmer did another video as well. So that's the pear moon glow, and that one is doing really well. Because these little labels, they don't stay. They get hard, they get burnt. Another Matsu apple, which is doing really well. This one here, which one is this? I think this is this is my cherry tree. I just love the blooms of the cherry tree. So we have yet to bear fruit on this tree as of yet. Might have another year. I think this is probably my 3rd year having this planted though. So maybe we get some fruit. Now y'all remember last year, this is the multi-grafted, nope, my bad you guys. This is the multi-grafted cherry tree right here. So now I need to figure out what is this one over here. Oh, darn it. But, dang, what is that one, you guys? I'm gonna have to watch a video, because I always thought this one was the cherry tree, because the cherry tree bears flowers like this, similar flowers as well. I'm starting to think, no, that wouldn't be it. So this is the cherry tree right here, which had the little fungus, I think, last year. Let's see. Yep, this is it. No, this is not the one that had the fungus. It was the multi-grafted apple tree that we're getting ready to come up to right now. That was the one. Or was it? You guys, I'm gonna have to do some research on this. I'm gonna have to go back and watch videos. Okay, this one right here is taking its time, but it is budding. And this is one of my persimmon trees, and I hope this one bounces back, because let me see, I think 2 of my persimmons, nope, one of my persimmons had passed. Yeah, Okay, so this one here is the multi-grafted apple tree. This is the one that had the caught the copper type of fungus last year, and I had to spray her down. They say rake up the leaves because it's some type of airborne spawn type of fungus that can contaminate your trees. So she seems to be looking good right now, so I'm gonna keep my eyes on her. But this is the multi-grafted apple tree that bared the green apples last year, and I was super excited about them bearing the fruit. So I'm thinking I might try to do my best to pluck off these blooms that's trying to come, so that it will strengthen up the tree to get make stronger roots, and see how that works. But we're gonna just watch it. So this is the other persimmon tree right here, and it is budding and it is producing, but I want to see it producing like up in this area right here. But there is some buds in that area, but it's moving slow. I did give everything some blood meal, which is nitrogen. This one had died, so I have to get this up. I need to root this out, get this out and replace it with something. So I'm gonna wait for some sales. And this was one of my multi-grafted trees that had nectarine. It had plums. It has several fruits, but it did not survive. So this is probably my second year, but this needs to come out. And this one here is another pear. And you can see this one just wants to grow. This is all they want to do, is just grow. So look forward to seeing this one produce some fruit. Don't know when, but hopefully someday soon. Here's our queen Led. She's still the shorty doo-wop over here, but she's going wide, which is kind of strange. But you can see the green buds are coming. She is budding, and that is the fig tree. That is dang, what's the name of this fig? I have to go back and look at this one. Let's see. This one is, I don't know if it's the Chicago fig. Let's see, I forgot. Oh, nope, brown turkey fig. Queen Led is the brown turkey fig over here. So she is budding out. And then we have another pear tree over here. So we have lots of pears out here, you guys. I'll give you guys a look that way. So that's what the orchard is looking like. I'm super excited. So we'll see. And I think we got 4 of the trees fed with some slow release fertilizer. The rest I gave them some nitrogen. So we still have to give them some slow release fertilizer and get them fed throughout the summer. So I still have to get to that. All right, you guys. So this is what the orchard is looking like. So I'm thinking about getting a few more tree holes digged by my son, so that when I catch these sales with the fruit trees, my holes is ready. Y'all know how I do. So I'll probably take it to the stop sign, like I said, and plant some more fruit trees so we could get this edible landscaping full of food, veggies, and fruits. All right, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. SEK the Homesteader, thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.